Welcome to session number 44 of Computer Concept for Commerce subject. In this module, we are going to learn moving worksheets and creation of charts in MS Excel. In the previous chapter, we have discussed about rows and columns of MS Excel. In this chapter, we will understand moving worksheets and creation of charts in the Excel. How to add a new worksheet. Just click on the plus button which is shown in this spreadsheet. You can add new worksheet. A new worksheet will be created with a default name of sheet plus a number. The number used is one more than the number of existing worksheets. For example, if there are 3 worksheets in the Excel file, the new worksheet will be named sheet 4. How to rename a worksheet? To rename a worksheet in an Excel file, follow the steps below. At the bottom of the Excel window, right click and the worksheet tab you want to rename. Click the rename option there, type in the new name for the worksheet and press enter. How to copy a worksheet? To copy a worksheet, copying all the contents of that worksheet to a new worksheet, follow the steps below. At the bottom of the Excel window, right click on the worksheet tab you want to copy. Click the move or copy option. In the move or copy window, in the before sheet section, select the worksheet you want to place the copied worksheet. Check the box for the create copy option, then click OK. If you want to change the order of or move worksheets in your workbook, click and drag any worksheet into the order you want to place it. For example, to move the first tab, the last tab to the last tab, click it and then while continuing to hold the button down, drag it after the far right tab. How to delete a worksheet from a workbook? In the sheet tab listing, right click the worksheet you want to delete. From the right click menu that appears, click the delete option. That worksheet will be deleted. Charts in Excel. A chart is a visual representation of data in both columns and rows, which can be created in MS Excel. Types of charts. There are different types of charts which can be created using depending on scenarios. To help simplify things for the users, Excel 2013 and above has an option that analyzes your data and makes a recommendation of the chart type that you should use. Pie chart, we can create pie charts, bar chart, column chart, line charts, combo chart, and all these kinds of charts can be created using MS Excel. The importance of charts allows you, the first importance of chart is it allows you to visualize data graphically. It's easier to analyze trends and patterns in the charts, easy to interpret compared to data in cells. To get the desired chart, you have to follow the following steps. Select the data you want to represent in graphs. Click on Insert tab from the ribbon. Click on the column chart drop down button. Select the chart type you want. These are all the functions can be done in MS Excel using formulas and charts. Thank you.